for the first quiz, so it's going to be like that on our classes. I will give you a 25 minutes to solve the questions, and then we will solve it together. For the first test, please remember that there is just one correct answer for each question. And remember to highlight the answer. Let's see here, like this page, they will give it to you on the exam. And then if you think that the answer here is C, you will do like that. You will highlight it, okay? So that we can simulate the real exam. Yeah, question number 1, Jenna.
Number 1, camel, desert, deer, forest, because the camel lives in the desert and the deer lives in the forest.
Excellent. So here's the relationship between camel and desert. Camel live in desert and deer live in forest. Okay, Jenna, could you please help me with question number 2?
Manama, Bahrain, Cairo, Egypt, because Manama is the capital of Bahrain.
Excellent. So this is the capital of Bahrain. So Cairo is the capital of Egypt. Excellent, Jenna. Okay, the question number 3, Jude.
Doctor, hospital. So the doctor works in the hospital and the teacher works in the school. So the answer is A.
Excellent. So doctor work in hospital, teacher work on school. Yalla, Jude, could you please help me with question number 4?
Okay. 4. What is the meaning of intelligence? D. Genius.
Excellent. Genius.
And stupidity is the antonym.
Yes, excellent. This is the antonym or opposite. Okay. And ignorance means when you don't care. Astray means that to get lost. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the question number 5 and 6. Let's see here. Ali. 5 and 6.
Yes. What is the different word as follows? It would be parking.
Excellent. Why? Okay, because house, home, and room. House is same like home, and room is something that is part of home. So they are all relatable. But parking, it's an outside, so it is not related to home. Excellent, Ali. Okay, question number 6, Maria.
Yes, teacher. So for question number 6, for each diseases there is medicine. So the answer is B.
Excellent. For each disease, there is a medicine. Okay, question number 7, Yusuf.
The air is very and there's ice on the road. I think the answer would be C. The air is very cold and there's a lot of ice on the road.
Excellent. So the air is very cold and there is a lot of ice on the road. Excellent. Okay, question number 8, Nawal.
Question number 8, if the fish fly in the air, the monkey eats bananas. Fish fly. D.
Excellent. The fish fly. So to answer this question, we have a which mean a wrong opening or wrong introduction. Okay. Okay. So you will have a wrong introduction. If the fish fly, fish can't fly, but we will proceed to know what's the question want to ask. So if the fish fly, fish here, you will delete it and replace it with a fly. It's a fly on the air, the monkey eats banana, and then the fish will be what? Fly here. So you crust fish on both sides and then you replace it with the other word. So the fish will fly. Excellent. Yeah, question number 9, الحنوف.
Dr. Muhammad advised eating some vegetables such as lettuce, cucumber, and artichoke. Herefore, the artichoke is a vegetable.
Excellent. Artichoke is vegetable. So for this question, to answer, we have here it will give us a category. Some type say it is for cooking, some type it will give you that it's vegetable, and then it will give you examples such as, and give you example, lettuce, cucumber, and artichoke. Artichoke, you didn't need to know what is the correct or accurate meaning of artichoke, but you know that it is from vegetable category. So this is the way to answer this question. Okay. يلا question number 10, Amina.
Yes. In the calligraphy class, the teacher mentioned to us of calligraphy, description, patch, kofi, and diwani. So diwani is used for writing.
Excellent. So calligraphy, it's a
Type for
type
writing.
of, yes, stand for writing. Let me show you a calligraphy for, yes. So calligraphy like fonts, writing letters, and etc. So it's for writing, okay? Okay. Yeah, let's move to question number 11 and 12. I want someone to read this text and then answer the two questions, okay? يلا يلا فاطمة.
Yes, the father sat in the room after a tiring work day, reading a newspaper, and soon after Ziad discovered that his father had slept, and the newspaper in his hand. Ziad discovered that his father had slept.
Okay, so he said that after a tiring work day, reading newspaper, and soon after, Ziad discovered that his father is slept. So how many time?
It said
How much
soon
time?
after, so I think after a short time.
Excellent. After a short time, because it's soon after. He didn't take a long time to get overwhelmed with sleep. Okay, question number 12.
Do I read it?
Yes.
Okay. Why did sleep overwhelm the father? I think it's deep because work is hard work.
Excellent. So, because work is hard, as it said here, tiring work day, so he was tired because of work. Excellent. Button. Okay. Overwhelm mean when something is large enough to make you feel that you are full. So you are full of tiring. You are full of a stress like that. So overwhelm. Okay. Yeah, like question number 13. Okay, yeah. Question number 13, يلا فهد.
Yes. Here, number 13. The following numbers is styled 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. It will be B, 18, because we're going to add 3 to every number.
Excellent. So we're going to add 3. Excellent. And it could be like that. And it could be 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 3 times 5, and here's a 3 times 6 would be 18. Or like our friend Fahad said, that it's going to be add 3 each time. Okay? Okay, number 14. think Dareen. Yeah, number 14. Okay. I think, yeah. Okay, يلا Lina, number 14.
Which of the following numbers is not greater than 45,618?
Okay, which one is smaller than?
It's B, because it starts with 4.
Excellent. So it's a start with 4, and we have here start with 5. So it is a 54,000, and here's a 45,000. So it's a smaller. Excellent. Okay. Question number 15. See here. يلا نايف. Question number 15.
Question number 15. Or which of the following numbers, when rounded to the nearest thousand, is not 10,000? D, because it starts with 1, and 1 won't get rounded. It has to be 6,
Excellent.
5 or above.
Excellent, Naif. So to have a number and become rounded or approximately, we should have a number like 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So if we have like here a 50, we can't say, sorry. Okay, we can't say it is a 20 rounded. And when we have a 13, we can say it's 10 rounded because this number will not give a 1. But when you have a 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, you will make a circle here and you will give 1 to the number on the left. Okay? So let's see here the answers. Here you have a 10,000 and then a 3. So 3 will not give any number to 10. So it's going to be 10,000. Okay? Then B, you will have a 9, 6. So 6, it's going to give a 1 here, and it's going to be a 10,000. Here also, you have 5, which is on our list. So we will give a 1 here, and it's going to be 1,000. But there is 1 here, and it is lower than 5. So when rounded it, we will get a 9. Okay?
Okay.
Excellent. Okay. For question number 14, which of the following number is not greater than this number? Okay. So which one is smaller than this number? You have here a, let's see. First, to know is the number a large, greater or smaller. Okay. You will go from the left. Okay. You will see from the left because here's the largest number. So from the left, you have here 5, 5, 5, 5, and here's 4. So 4 smaller than 5, so it's the answer. But to make sure that your answer is correct, you will go a 1 digit right. So here's a 45,000, here's 45,000, 46,000. Okay, sorry, 54,000, 54,000, and here's 56,000. So 56,000 is greater than 54. So this is not the answer. Okay, let's now move to another digit right. You have here 8, you have here 7, you have here 6. So 7, 8, it is a larger than 6. So it is not the answer. And you should make sure that they all have a same number of digits. This is a 54,618. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. I'm sorry. 5 digits. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit. And also here, okay? Okay? Do you now understand? Okay. Excellent. Okay, question number 16. يلا نورا.
Yes,
Yeah. 16.
number 16. If the order of Salim is ninth of the first and tenths of the last. How many students are in the class?
Okay, so here's Salim. Here's Salim. Okay. When you have it online, here's the line of the class and the student. So on the line, when you count from the first line, here's the first student, second student, the third, and etc. So here going to be the 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and Salim is the 9. Okay, and then we knew. So here's the 9 from the first, and the 10 from the last. So when you count from the last of the line, you will count Salim is the 10th. So here you're going to add here. I'm sorry. Here's the last student on the line, and then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
19?
7, 8, 9. So okay, we have here 9 and Salim is 10, right? So now let's count the student. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is Salim, 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 18. Excellent. 18. Excellent. So Salim is the 9th one, okay? And and on the first, in front of him, there is an 8 student on front of him. And okay, and behind him, you have a 9 student, okay?
Miss?
I'm sorry, I think I made a mistake. Here's 1, okay? So you have a 8 student in the front of Salim, and then Salim itself 1, and behind Salim you have 9 students. So it's going to be 80. Okay.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
For number 15.
Yes.
So the answer for D, it's you put it when you round it, it's 9,000. It isn't. If you're gonna round the 1, it's going to be 9100.
Okay, so here, when you want to round it, you want to replace all number with 0, and to keep the digit on the left side. So here 1, it's not going to be it's going to be 0 because it's closer to 0 than 5. So it's going to be 0. Okay.
So we're going to round it to the 1,000, not the hundreds.
What did you mean? Did you mean like that?
Yes.
Hmm.
So we're gonna round the 9 or the 1?
We're going to round 9, right? So 1, it's not giving it's not going to give any number. So when you want to round it 1, it's going to be 0. So the approximate number here is going to be 9,000. Okay.
Okay.
Right. For question number 16, let me teach you a simpler way to do this question. You have here Salim, which is 1. So put 1 above Salim. Okay. Okay, so put 1 on Salim. And 9 of the first. Okay. So here 9, including Salim. So subtract 1 from this 9. So it's going to be 8, right? 9, you know that. 9 include Salim. So you're going to subtract a 1 and it's going to be 8 of the first and 10 of the last. So 10 here, again 10 including Salim, right? So you count Salim 3 times. First time he is on his own, and second time from the first, so you will subtract it. And the third time, which is you're going to count him from the last. Okay, so you will subtract Salim. So 10 minus 1, it's going to be 9. So you have here Salim, which is 1, plus 8 students in front of him because 8 students in front of him because we exclude Salim, and 9 students behind him because we again remove Salim from the counting here, and it's going to be 18. Okay, it is the easier way to solve this question. Okay, let me first okay, yeah, like question number 17. يلا زينة 17.
Yes, teacher. So there are 18 because, this question, the
Yeah.
perimeter of an equilateral triangle, the side of 4 centimeter is 12 because if each side is equal, it's going to be 4 times 3, so 12.
Excellent, excellent,
Thank
Zaina.
you.
So we have an equilateral triangle. Equilateral basically mean it's an identical side. Okay, equilateral means there are identical side. So you have, this is the triangle and it has an identical side. There is a 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. And here's the perimeter. We said that triangle, square, rectangle, any shape which has want us to calculate the perimeter. So the perimeter will be the sum of all shape sides. Okay, so you're going to have here 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is going to be 8. Well, excellent. Okay, question number, yes, you can. Yalla Amina, question number 18.
How many rectangles are in the following figure? In the human eye, we're gonna see 6 rectangles. But if we count the whole rectangle itself, there will be 7. But each
Okay.
line is like its own rectangle, which will
Okay,
come
Amina,
up to the number 9.
do you want me to help you with this question? I will teach you a trick. That on rectangle, we have a horizontal side and vertical side. I'm sorry for that. Okay. So we have a horizontal side and vertical side. On horizontal side, you're going to put 1, here's 2, here's 3 to calculate the horizontal side. And then add them together. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal what? Equal what? 1 plus 2 plus 3? 6. Excellent. Then you will count the horizontal side. Oh, sorry. This is the horizontal side. You're going to count the vertical side, which is here 1 again and 2. So 1 plus 2 equal what?
3.
3. Excellent. Then you will simply multiply them together. So 6 times 3 equal what?
18.
18. Excellent. Okay, so this is the way to answer this question on a simple way, and don't waste your time with the drawing. When you have any rectangle, again, let's here put 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's 1, 2. So this is the same way. You're going to add them, and then you will have 10 here, and you're going to add them, and you have 2. So 10 times 2. This is for rectangle, okay? Let me show you a square. For the square, you will have here like that. Okay, so this is the square. So here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. This is the first step. Then you're going to do like that. Here's 1 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 3 times 3. So you're going to have 1 plus 4 plus 9. which is 14. Okay, this is for square. So you're going to just count this line, 1, 2, and 3, and then multiply each number by itself and then add them together. Like, this is for square. So you know about the rectangle, you know about the square, and then I will teach you about the triangle. So this is the triangle, and when it's put like that, triangle inside triangles. Let me throw it here. So triangle inside triangle. So you're going to have here 1, 2, and 3. So you're going just to label them 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 6. Okay, this is the counting. So each question came to you. How many this shape on the following? If rectangle, you're going to do this way, which is first counting horizontal and vertical, and then you multiply it by together. When you have a square, as I said, you're going to label them 1, 2, 3, and if there is a 4, you're going to label 4, and then each number multiply itself, and then you will add them together. And for a triangle, you're going only to add them together. Okay? Okay, question number 19. Ala.
Yes.
Okay, question number 19.
What is the ratio of the area of the shaded part to the whole shape?
Okay, what is the shaded area first? Here we have 1, 2, and 3, right? I'm sorry.
Yes.
So we have 3. Over here, yellow. Let's count all these not shaded, shaded and not shaded areas. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4.
12.
Right. 12, right? Excellent. Okay, on the answers, we don't have a 3 over 12. So let's make it simpler by divided by 3, okay, to know the answer. So with that, what is the answer now? 3 divided by 3.
It's 1 out of 4.
Excellent. So the answer going to be what?
1 out of 4.
Excellent. 1 out of 4. Excellent. Okay. So again, what is the ratio of the area on the shaded part to the whole part? So this is not counting, okay? This is not counting. This is a fraction and ratio. So here you have a 3 shaded area. So this is a 3. And then, okay, and then you will count all area, not only shaded, all area of that rectangle. So you have here 12 area. Then when you look at the answers, you don't have a 3 over 12, but you have a simpler form of it. So you're going to divide them to have the answer. Okay? Yeah, question number 20. يلا إليانا.
A. The answer is A.
Excellent. So what is the difference between the following? The different one, it is A. Okay, Eliane, could you help me with question number 21?
Okay. Question 21. The answer is
Okay, so stage of utilizing a food on the
D.
human body.
It's D.
D, excellent, D. So stage, thank you, Eliana. So stage of utilizing food in the human body, which means the stage of processing food, how the food process in our body, okay? So first, by our mouth, we will put it in our mouth by the process called eating. Then we will use our teeth, so here's mouth, and then we will use our teeth to chew it, chewing. And then our esophagus, which is the cylindrical shape muscles that transport the food from our mouth into stomach. So swallowing, okay, by esophagus. Okay. I'm sorry. So yes. Oh, okay. You understand my. Okay, then digestion by what? By stomach. Stomach. And then absorption by small bowel. And then excretion means by feces, okay, or stool. And so the stage of utilizing food in human body, which is the stage of processing the food in our body, at first going to enter our mouth by eating, then chewing, then swallowing, then digestion, then absorption. So our body get to have all vitamins, electrolytes. You're going to have all satiety, and then you're going to excrete it. Okay? Yalla. The number of angle on the following figure, it's the same like a triangle, okay? You remember that when I'm saying a angle, same like triangle. So the number here, yalla naif. Okay, I think. Okay. Ali, are you here?
Yes.
Okay, yalla. Question number 22.
I did not understand how to solve it.
Okay, here you have an angle which is like triangle. Do you remember that when I'm telling you when you have a triangle and it wants you to count the number, you're going to label them. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. So first label them, then add them together. So what is the answer?
10.
10. Excellent. 10. Okay. To make you understand, this is the way to solve the question, okay? But to elaborate more and make you understand, this is the angle, okay? Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, and here's 4. Then you will have here's 5, here's 6, and then here is 7, and then here's this is the whole 7, and here's 8, here's 9, and here's the two of them, 10. Okay, so they are the angle, which is a cross between two lines. Okay, this is the angle. But to solve the question easier, you want just first label them and then add them together. Excellent.
Thank you.
Okay. Question number 23, يلا سديم. يلا سديم, question number 23. Okay, that's okay. طيب يلا فاطمة 23.
Yes, teacher. Question number what? 23.
Yes.
Hello, teacher. The unmute didn't work.
Different word follow. Warm, extremely hot, cold, C, because all of them means hot, except C means cold.
Excellent. So the different word here is cold because all of
The
them
answer
means
is
hot.
C.
Excellent. Okay.
The unmute button didn't work.
That's okay, Naif. Could you please help me with the question number 24?
Okay. If the whales walk and the birds have two wings, then the whale has feet because the bird have two wings. We don't need it. They're only trying to
Distract you, right?
yeah.
Excellent, Naif. Excellent. So if the wheel walks and the bird has two wings, then the wheel, so you press wheel here and put circle on walk. So it has a feet, so you walk on it. طيب, يلا. The last question for today, Patel.
If Asil is closer than Mary to the field, Rawan is farther from Mary, and Anud is closer to Mary. What is further away from the field? Rawan. C.
Yes, excellent, Rowan. Excellent. So if Asil closer than Mary to the field. So this is the field, and here is Asil. Here is Asil, and here is Mary. Okay. And Rowan is farther from Mari, so here's Rowan. And Lanud is closer to Mari, so here's Lanud. So which one of them is farther away from the field? It's going to be Rowan. Okay, so the answer here is C. Okay, let me tell you here on this question 25, the answer is C because of this method. And on the answer key, it said D, but this is wrong, okay? This is wrong. The right answer here is C, okay? So correct it that when you go back to this page, you know that the answer key here is not correct. The correct